Welcome to the infrared with me POCO C40, and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So now just by press and hold the power key, we can only use the power off menu, and just to link the Google Assistant to power button, we should launch the settings application and then scroll to additional settings. Well, we should click here to the gesture shortcuts and tap to launch Google Assistant. Now just let's use this switcher. Click here once, and now we will use the press and hold the power key button to launch the Google Assistant. So as you can see, that's so simple. If you want to just turn off this option, you should click here once again only on the switcher, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.